Happy birthday po. Namimiss ka namin. Sana mag-ingat-ingat ka dyan. Sana mamasyal ka naman dito. Mag-aral kang mabuti po.
Happy birthday sa apo. Ay kumata na tarot ka kita. Ingat-ingat ka.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane. Love you. Sana, ito lang masabi ko, mag-aaral kang mabuti, bumapag pa yung pag-aaral mo. Sana, lagi ka mag-ingat dyan. Dito lang si Papa mo. Laging dyan para sa'yo. Kahit di tayo magkasama, mahal na mahal ka ni Papa mo. Ito lang masabi ko, happy birthday, ate. Love you.
Sige na. Okay lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane. Ang masasabi ko sa'yo, good health and mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. I love you. Miss ka na namin.
Happy birthday siya nang may liliw kami kinyamon sa pila kong matarakwa magbasa ka na lalaing na kungwan. I love you anak, miss you.
Happy birthday, my dear Shane. Wishing you a day full of joy and a year filled of blessings, happiness, and success. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Mag-aral ka ng mabuti ha. Ingat palagi. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Shane. Love you.
Hi Shane! Happy 70th birthday. Wishing you all the best and hoping all your dreams come true. We miss you so much. Even though we're far away, your cousin, especially to me, your ate, are always cheering on you. I'm always proud of you. You may be growing into a debutant in 1 year. 1 year pa, magiging debutant ka na. But in our hearts, you'll always be our baby Shane, our baby Shanang. Ingat ka lagi dyan and we love you so much. Hoping to see you soonest. Bye!
Hi, Shane. Happy birthday. Sana magkita tayo soon. I love you. Sana maging happy ka palagi.
Hello Shane, happy birthday sa'yo and more blessings to come. See you soon.
Happy birthday Shane, ingat ka palagi dyan. Happy birthday. Love ka ni tita.
Hi, Shana. Happy 17th birthday. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Shane. I just want you to know that if you need someone to talk to, Ate Iya is always here to listen. We love you and see you soon. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Shanang po. God bless you with happiness and good health and everything you wish for. Enjoy your day.
Hi Shane, kumusta? Happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Mag-aral mabuti. God bless. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane. Ingat ka palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Shane. More birthdays come.
Hi, Ate Shane. Happy birthday and more blessing to come. And see you soon.
Happy birthday, pretty Shane. Mag-aral kang mabuti. Pakabait ka lagi dyan ha. Huwag mo nang mag-boyfriend. Study first. I miss you, bibeng. I love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane.